Hey, hi guys, this is Sumant. Welcome to Super Sam. First time I'm going to do a unboxing. Yes, it's Google Home Mini. Yeah, we are going to do this unbox. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start. Let's unbox this thing. Okay, I'll just try to unbox this thing. Okay, yeah. Okay, here comes our Google Home Mini. Yeah, it looks good, right? Okay, let's see. Okay, here's our Google Home Mini. Yeah, it looks good, right? Really good. And this is the power plug to get power, and this is actually it is come like this. You can off the mic, you can mute the mic, so it whenever you say it takes nothing, we muted the mic. What's in the box next? Let's see. Okay, get started, get to know your home, be safe. Okay, good. Plug it in and get the app. Yeah, no, we need to download the app. Yeah, I need to download the app. You guys see, right? Yes. Okay, get to know. Oh, okay. Start with okay Google. Okay, that's good. That's it. Okay, here we comes the plug, power plug. Okay, yeah, good. Is there anything else in the box? Nothing. That's it. Okay, let's connect this thing. Okay, let's install the Google Home first. Okay, it's going on. Let's plug in this thing. Yeah, where it is. Where it is. Yeah, good. I can see that. What? Oh yeah, I got it now. Okay, good. Okay. Yes. Okay, it's on. Yeah, it's on. It's on. Hey Google. Google. Okay. Let me try. I never done this before. Okay. Okay, it's still working on. Okay. Yeah, okay, now it's totally came. Okay, good.
Welcome to Google Home.
Oh,
to
yeah.
get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay,
While
I'm
the
doing that.
mic is off. To turn it back on, slide the switch on the back of Google Home.
Okay, what? Oh, it's off. Okay.
The microphone is back on.
Oh, yeah, good. Hi, Google.
Your Google Home isn't set up yet. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay. Okay, this side is the sound. Okay, let me do it like this. Okay, good. Okay, turn on. Volume up. I'm not doing perfectly. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, Google.
Your Google Home isn't set up yet.
Okay,
To get
I'm
started,
setting it.
download
Okay.
the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, turn on. Home phone. Yes, yeah, it's found you. Connecting to Google Home Mini. Yeah, good. Okay, we're doing good. Okay, good. Did you hear the sound? Yes. Yes, I hear the sound. Yes, good. Okay, where is this device? Okay, you can select where is this device. Okay, I just click living room. Yeah. Okay, now good. No issues. Okay, okay, good. Google Home Mini is now connecting to as Grand to Net. That's the Wi-Fi. Okay, good. Here we go. It's so much to do. Okay. This is my first unboxing. Yeah. I hope I'm doing good. Sorry if I done anything wrong. Sorry. Okay. Here. Hello. Yes. Please wait. Okay, I'm waiting. Tut, tut. I like the sound. Seriously. Tut, tut. Tut, tut. Tut, tut. Tut, tut. Tut, tut. Tut, tut. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. You have to say okay, Google. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Now say Hey Google. What's wrong? Hey Google. Now good. Let's say again. Hey Google. Hey Google. Really, I'm bad in this thing. Oh shit. Okay. Setting up your voice match. Okay, good. You will soon have access to personal results on your assistant speaker. This should take less than a minute. Okay. Okay. Continue. Good. Okay. Confirm the address. Okay. What? Add music services. Okay. I just click the Ghana. Okay. I don't have Ghana account. I don't have any account here. Okay. I will do it later. That. Okay. Email. Okay. Set up. Continue. Okay.
Hello, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Play some music. Damn.
It looks like you haven't chosen a default music provider. You can do that in the Google Home app, then try asking again.
Oh, really? Hey, Google. Tell me something. Jokes.
Okay, here you go. A scientist tells a pharmacist, give me some prepared tablets of acetyl-salicylic acid. Do you mean aspirin? Asks the pharmacist. The scientist slaps her forehead. That's it, she says. I can never remember the name.
What? I don't understand. Okay, Google. Tell me a good restaurant nearby.
I found a few places within 1.4 kilometers. The first one is Itsumat Shop number 1, ground floor, H number 1 to 10, Oak Krishay Sapphire and HDFC Bank, Madhapur Main Road in Hyderabad.
Okay.
The second one is Rayalaseema Ruchalu at 4th floor, Sun Tower, Hood Art Techno Enclave, next to Rutnadeep High Tech City in Hyderabad. The third one is Republic of Noodles in Hyderabad.
Okay. Hey, Google. Play some music.
It looks like you haven't chosen a default music provider. You can do that in the Google Home app, then try asking again.
Okay. Okay. Tell me something. I don't know what to ask. Hey, Google. What's your name?
You can call me your Google Assistant.
Okay. This is the dumbest question I asked. Hey, Google. Play music.
Alright, music on Google Play Music. Here you go.
Oh yeah. That's good. Stop. Hey Google, stop it. Stop it. Okay. Thanks Google. That's really cool music. Hey Google, play Delicate.
Okay, Delicate by Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
Here it is in Ghana.
That's my song. I love it. Okay.
They sing for the best. My reputation's never been worse. So
Hey Google, stop it.
famous like me.
Yeah, good. Thanks. Hey Google, tell me something. Who is greatest cricketer?
Mitali Doriraj is the highest run scorer in women's international cricket and the only female cricketer to surpass the 6,000 run mark in ODIs. Mitali is the first captain, men or women, to lead India to an ICC and ODI World Cup final twice, in 2005 and 2017.
Oh my god, I don't know that. I don't know that because I'm not interested in cricket. Okay. Hey Google, play sound of rain.
Here's what rain sounds like.
Okay. Ah, damn. I like you, Google. Okay, stop it now. Hey Google, stop it. Yeah, damn Google, you're really cool. Hey Google, I love you.
Oh, in terms of what keeps me going, it's electricity, then you.
What the hell is that? Okay, I guess that's it. That's the unboxing I've done. This is my first unboxing. Okay, hey Google. You're pretty good. Yeah, this is really pretty good.
Happy to help.
Yeah. That's my Google. Hey Google. say play some music.
All right, music
Yeah,
on Google
here comes
Play
the music.
Here you go.
Yeah, that's good, right? That's it, guys. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm going to make another video with Google Home Mini, asking some questions with my friends. I'm planning to do that. Okay, I see you guys with that thing. Okay, bye.